The 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, front-wheel drive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.